Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share my drone with you. Today I'm going to review this Mavic Mini Flycam designed by DJi. Weighing just 249 grams, this makes exceptionally portable. Let's see what we got inside. Wow. So this is the aircraft itself. This is the controller. Got some user manuals, instructions, safety information. USB charger, some propellers, screwdriver, phone connector. These are the connectors that will connect the controllers with your phones. This is for mini USB to mini USB. This is 3C, and this is for iPhone. Okay. And these are probably some extra thumbstick or control stick, whatever you call it. Yeah, look like they are the thumbsticks. Okay, let's open this. So these are aerial. Okay. Oh. So we got here these thumbsticks controllers. So we're going to screw that here. So these controllers are just like the gaming controllers. I think it will be really easy to handle the drone. I hope so. Let's connect a phone with that. So you can probably connect any size phone. It's really big. It's white. Yeah, and it grips really well. So your phone screen, you can see whatever your camera captures. You can see that through your phone screen. So probably you just need to download an app and you can see whatever your drone captures. So yeah. Okay, that's all about the controller. Let's move into the aircraft or Flycam or drone, whatever you call it. I hope I can open it right. This is the first time. So far so good. Ooh, it's quite smooth. Oh. So in the front part we got this camera. It's a very powerful camera, I'll say, considering the size of this drone. It can take 12.7K Quad HD video. It also can stream video from 4 kilometer distance in HD, and it can fly up to 29 miles per hour or 47 kilometer per hour in certain modes, like probably on the sport mode. And if you go into the cinematic mode, It can only fly up until 14 miles per hour. Yeah. Let's move on to the legal bits. This is very important. In many countries, you need to have operator license or a flyer ID to fly a drone. That includes recreational drones. So in UK, if you want to fly a unmanned aircraft weighing from 250 gram to 20 kilogram, so you must have a operator ID and a flyer ID. So operator ID is valid for a year, so you need to go through a course, online course, and the flyer ID valid for 3 years. So operator ID will cost you £9 a year, and the flyer ID is free, but you have to pass a test. So you can register children from 13 years old, but they have to be accompanied by an adult. So make sure you cover the legal bit. So that's all about Mavic Mini Flycam. So if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe, and let us know how you find out about this video. And if you want to see the performance video, please let me know in the comment section, so I'll try to make a performance video out of it. Thank you very much for watching.